Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to actively comment on your own TikTok live stream and fully control those comments using the MKT Tik Pro software. First, go to the seating section and select live stream seating. Next, take your live stream URL and paste it into the live stream link field. Set the viewing duration for your live stream. Below that, enter the comments you want the accounts to post. You can type them manually or let the AI generate them automatically. Once done, save your settings. Select the TikTok accounts you've nurtured, then click Start.